Welcome to botany class. In this class, we are going to discuss one of the important chapter in plant physiology, that is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, during the dark phase, in C4 plants, the C4 cycle is operated. In this C4 cycle, the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is a 3-carbon compound called as a phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This phosphoenol pyruvic acid accepts the atmospheric carbon dioxide and helps in the synthesis of a 4-carbon compound called as oxaloacetic acid. Due to the formation of oxaloacetic acid as the first stable product, this pathway is called as a C4 pathway. This C4 plants shows a special anatomy called as a Cranch anatomy. The C4 plants are more adaptive and advantageous when compared to C3 plants because they can grow at high temperatures, more light intensities, and they can suppress photorespiration also, as well as the photosynthetic yielding is also more in C4 plants when compared to the C3 plants. So like this, comparatively C4 plants are more adaptive than the C3 plants. The C4 plants shows a special anatomy called as a Cranch anatomy. Cranch is a German word whose meaning is wrath or sheath. That is, around the vascular bundle, the bundle sheath cells are arranged closely like the flowers of a garland. So, this anatomy is named as Cranch anatomy, which is a peculiar feature of only the C4 plants. And this C4 plant pathway requires 2 chloroplasts, that is chloroplasts of mesophyll cells and chloroplasts of bundle sheath cells. First the reactions are completed in mesophyll cells, then they will be continued in the bundle sheath cells. In this picture you can see the Cranch anatomy clearly. Around the bundle sheath cells are closely arranged. You can clearly observe in the bundle sheath cells as well as in the mesophyll cells. You can see the chloroplasts also. This dots represents the chloroplast, and vascular bundle you can see clearly, and bundle sheath cells and mesophyll cells are also clearly visible in this diagram, and the dots that represents chloroplast. So more number of chloroplasts are seen in the mesophyll cells. So due to that, more photosynthesis occurs in the mesophyll cells. In this picture you can see the anatomy of maize leaf. Here also in this diagram we can see the Cranch anatomy clearly. This next picture shows the reactions of C4 pathway. Here 2 cells are requiring. The first, this yellow colored cell is a mesophyll cell, and the next somewhat whitish color cell is a bundle sheath cell. In mesophyll cells, the first reaction is atmospheric carbon dioxide is accepted by PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and produces into a 4-carbon compound called oxaloacetic acid in the presence of an enzyme called as a PEP carboxylase. As OAA is the first stable product, which is a tetrose, these plants are called as C4 plants, and the pathway is called as C4 pathway. Then this oxaloacetic acid in some plants may be converted into malic acid, or it may be converted into aspartic acid. Then this malic acid through the plasmodesmata enters into the bundle sheath cells. After entering into bundle sheath cell, it undergoes a decarboxylation, that is loses carbon dioxide and gets converted into the pyruvic acid. This released carbon dioxide in bundle sheath cells is taken by RUBP again to carry out the Calvin cycle. That is, here in C4 plants also Calvin cycle is operated to produce a glucose molecule. Already we have an information that Calvin cycle requires 18 ATPs and 12 NADP H+H+ to produce a single molecule of glucose. Like this, in bundle sheath cell, by utilizing the assimilatory power, glucose molecule is synthesized. Then what about pyruvic acid? This pyruvic acid, which is produced in the bundle sheath cell through plasmodesmata, again moves into the mesophyll cells and by utilizing 2 ATP molecules in the presence of pyruvic dikinase will be regenerated into again phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Like this, in C4 plants, for 1 carbon dioxide molecule, 2 ATPs are additionally requiring in addition to 18 ATPs which are required in Kelvin cycle. For 6 CO2, when we consider 12 ATPs are additionally required in addition to 18 ATPs in Kelvin cycle. Like this, just to produce a single molecule of glucose, totally 30 ATPs and 12 NADPH+H+ are required in C4 plants. Thank you for watching this video. This is M. Sarita, JL in Botany, BC Welfare Junior College, Shayampet.